Check this out. Oh my god.
Hey guys, so today the plan is to hire some bikes and cycle along the river. So I'm going to show you how to hire some of the bikes in London and then take you on a trip from Canary Wharf over to hopefully Tower Bridge if we make it. So let's go and see how we hire a bike.
There are loads of docking stations around Canary Wharf, so if you go to one of the lesser known ones, then you're more likely to get a bike on a busier day. If you're coming to the wharf by tube, try heading to the back of the station towards Upper Bank Street for the docking station there, instead of the one at the front of the station, which everyone goes to. You can also download an app which will tell you where the nearest docking station is and how many bikes are available there. You can also hire bikes through the app, but you'll need to sign up and register a credit or debit card. To hire a bike using the terminal at the docking station, you'll need a credit or debit card. Bike hire costs £2 per bike for each 24-hour period, and within that you get unlimited 30-minute hires. That means as long as you return the bike to any docking station within 30 minutes, you won't be charged any more. If you keep the bike for longer than 30 minutes, you'll be charged an extra £2 for every additional 30 minutes you go over per bike, and you have to return the bike within 24 hours. Also, the 24-hour hire is linked to your card, so make sure you use the same card each time you hire a bike within that period. A top tip is to choose your bike and adjust your seat before you pay for the hire. This will give you a few extra minutes in that first 30-minute period. Maybe get a friend to watch the bikes you've already set up so no one else hires them. Also, check the wheels are not flat or soft and that the bell works to save you from having to redock and getting another bike if you picked a dodgy one. When you're ready to hire, follow the instructions on the screen at the terminal. If this is the first time you're hiring a bike within the last 24 hours, you'll have to tap your card twice, because the first time the system is checking to see if you've already paid for hire, and only the second time will be used to actually make the payment. You can hire up to 4 bikes at a time. After you've made payment, the terminal will print out one release code per bike. Enter the code on the number pad where your bike is docked and wait for the green light. The bike will be unlocked and you have to pull it out. Then you're good to go. The route we'll be taking goes from Canary Wharf, along the river, following the Thames Path, down Narrow Street, around Shadwell Basin, passing Tobacco Dock, along Ornamental Canal, and ending at Hermitage Riverside Memorial Garden, where there's a docking station and you can get great views of Tower Bridge, the Shard, the Thames River and Butler's Wharf. From the garden it's about a 10-minute walk through St Catherine's Dock to Tower Bridge and the Tower of London. Let's go!
down the road. We can't really cycle on the pavement. Push aerial. How do you do that? I can't do that. Or you just do.
Let's have a look at who I'm with. I'm with my friend Elliot and Laura. Okay, ready to go, girls? Let's go.
I forgot to film it, but at this point you need to cycle up this zigzag path with the hedges. When returning the bike, make sure you push it firmly into an empty dock and wait for the green light. Make sure the bike can't be pulled back out. If it isn't docked properly, you'll continue to be charged. To hire a bike again within the 24-hour period, repeat the same process at the terminal. Make sure you use the same card that you used to pay for the hire. This time you will only need to tap your card once to get your release codes.
We're on our way back.
Check this out. Oh my god. Let's get back heads up.
Look at that view of Canary Wharf.
That's a good view.